Now that you know how to build tables using DDL commands, you might be tempted to jump straight into the DML commands like insert, update, or delete. But hold on. Running a DML command without knowing how to precisely target the data, you can end up deleting the entire database or even corrupting the database. So before moving on to DML, in this video, we will learn how to select data and how to filter out data. In this video, we will learn the very basic of filtering, and along with it, we will also learn the comparison operator. So let's get started. When we write a SQL, what is the first step that we do usually? We write select star from the table name, correct? So we'll also write select star from table name, and what would be our table name here? We'll take app dot users table for now, and let's run this. And now we got the data. So there are 3 records in this user table, right? But we wrote select star from this table and it gave all the records that it had. What if the users table will have billions of records? Then in that case, if we do select star from this table, we will get all the billions record. But if we do that, it will cost us memory. How will it cost us memory? Because when we do select star from something, the entire output gets stored into the memory and it is displayed to us. So if it is billions of record, it might happen that your database gets stuck or your system gets stuck. And along with that, we will also incur some cost for processing and for storage. So in order to avoid that, we need to have some filtering. And what is the basic clause of filtering? So we will write again select star from the same table, and we have to filter it out some data. So we will write where clause. Where what? Where username is equal to something. So is equal to code. And since code is in string format, we need to give single quotes here, or we can give double quote as well. And let's run this. Since we wrote username is equal to code, that means we have only one row where username is equal to code. So this particular query gave us only one row. And that's the basic of filtering. But if you see this equal to here, this is called equal to operator. And what does it do? So this is comparison operator. It compares the column with a particular value. Let me give another example here. I will take example of again different table. So select star from app dot plans table. We have one more table called as plans. Let's see if data is there or not. And we have this data here. So again plan ID, plan name, price, and max profiles. So what is this comparison operator? I've just told that comparison operator is equal to operator. So here if we give a where clause, and in where clause we will give the column name, we will take column name as price is equal to 99. Will it give me data? Because here if you see price is 99.00, but here I am writing only 99. So will it give me the data? Yes, it will give, because this price is equal to 99 is being converted implicitly as 99.00. Let's see whether it gives data or not. And this is the feature of SQL here. Yes, it gave me the data. And this is called comparison operator. We have one more operator called as not equal to operator. So if we write the select statement again, and here instead of this equal to, I'll give this keyword here. This is keyword less than and greater than, and this is called not equal to. So will it give me data? Yes, it will give me data. Why? Because we are selecting everything from plans table where price is not equal to 99. So we have two rows where price is not equal to 99, that is 149 and then 299 something. Let's see. Yes, 149 and 299. We get two rows here. Next is greater than. So instead of this, if we give this greater than symbol here, so price is greater than 99. Will it give me data? Yes, it will give me data. Why? Because again we have two rows here where price is greater than 99, that is 149 and 299. So again, okay, let's change 99 to 199. Now we have only one data, only one row in which price is greater than 199. So we shall get only one row here. Let's see. Yes, we got only one row. Now next is greater than or equal to. Here we have written price is greater than 199. After greater than, if we write equal to, so what does it mean? We are selecting everything from plans table where price is greater than or equal to 199. This is greater than or equal to, not greater than and equal to. Remember this. So do we have any data which is greater than or equal to 99? Yes, we have. But we don't have any data equal to 199. But we have data greater than 199. That is 299. So again, we will get only one row. Yes, we got only one row. Now let's see. If we give this is equal to 149. So now we have data equal to 149 as well as greater than 149. This is 299. So it shall give me two rows here. Yes, and it gave me two rows. So this was greater than or equal to. Similarly, we will have less than or equal to as well, right? So first we'll see less than. Do we have, so this is price less than 149. Do we have any data less than 149? Yes, we have. That is 99. So if we run this, we shall get one row having 99 as the price. So we got this data. Now if I do less than or equal to, not and equal to, this is or equal to 149. How many rows shall we get here? We shall get two rows. Why? Because for less than we have 99 and then for equal to also we have 149. So we have both data here. So we will get two rows here. Understood? One thing you have to remember, if you write like this, like if you invert this keyword here, like if you give equal to first or greater than or less than after the equal to operator, then it will throw error because that's not the correct syntax. So always keep in mind that equal to will always come after greater than or less than symbol. Understood? So we have covered equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. So we have covered all the comparison operator. In the next video, we will see the logical operator. Thanks for watching.